So what are we flying now?
This is the new E-flite F-4 Phantom. It's a
F-4 Phantom, okay.
Yeah, it's 80mm. I have a 4500 battery on it. It flies for 3-ish minutes.
Gotcha.
It's pretty cool.
Nice.
Sounds good.
And what's the battery inside?
What's up?
What's the battery inside?
It's a 4500.
4500.
6L.
6L, oh great. A lot of power there for the size. So what do you think the top speed like? 100 miles?
90 miles.
So, yeah. Oh, that's great. So you can control the power on this lawnmower compared to turbine. It's just like one fixed. And you need a longer runway.
And you can be a little bit more forgiving with it. You know, once you start making mistakes, you can drop the nose and hammer the power.
Yeah,
right there.
much easier. The response so quickly.
With the turbine, you know, you have to wait a minute. You know, if you start getting behind the curve, then
absolutely. Oh, that's awesome. Very good looking airplane. Navy. You should have FPV on that, Josh. That's what I will do.
I think I can put FPV. Might order another nose cone for the 16. I think I could FPV that.
With a UHF?
Yeah.
So you can go far?
Well, you wouldn't want to go too far. You can only fly for like 5 minutes. So.
Yeah, something like that. So yeah, the average, you're right. That was awesome. Great flight.
What do you think?
It really sounds great.
Yeah, it flies so well too.
And it flies better than what
Yeah.
That was just right, yeah. If you're interested in the word for the memory. Alright.
Oh yeah, that thing is definitely a winner. Another winner from you.
Wow, let's look at the battery. Look at that. It's almost the same type battery as you fly. Kinda, size of. Okay, now. That's what I remember.
Yep.
Yeah. So it looks like the normal DX car. It's just migrated.
That one pass I did right by you, that's gonna look cool. fits in frame and everything.
Anything Gary used probably is just in good shape.
Oh yeah.
It's like brand new. He treats the all electronics and batteries just what it takes. No damage. Very nice. So that was cool. Good job.
These houses are closed.
AS3X units on stabilization.
Yep. Oh yeah.
That's great.
It feels good.
DX20.